This is first Miata session.
What's up, guys? This is Zygrene.
Hey, get out of here. What's up, guys? We're here at Thunderhill West. This is my very first time at this track, and I'm driving a car I've never driven on track before. This here is Shawn. He's my good buddy. Tell me a little bit about the car. 97 Miata 1.8.
Yeah, there's a lot of things done to it. The key ones for you: seat, harness, steering wheel, homemade shift lights. So hopefully you're comfortable. And then we're running on Xidas, so like the big grip kit from 949 Racing. Xidas 800, 500 spring rates.
So for that's about, I think I did the math, it's about 14K front, 9K rear.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Okay.
So that's pretty stiff. You're gonna have to help me with it. It's my first time on those two.
I don't know anything about suspension tuning, but I'll let you know what the butt dyno says.
Okay, and we're running on brand new 225, 45, 15 Rival S 1.5.
So those are 200 tread wears, right?
Yeah, 200 tread wears.
Stock brakes, just pads and fluid.
Yeah.
Car weighs about 23.
Nice pads. Yeah, that's about it. So.
Yep, 2,300 pounds, 133 horsepower.
Yes.
See what happens.
Screw you, Shawn.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I saw that. That's holy hell, man.
I think what made me faster this time is like when I start braking, I don't brake full on. Because in my S2000, I just smashed the pedal and I let ABS do the rest.
Oh, yeah. You gotta
like,
keep progressing. I was about to say, man, if you were feeling skittish, I didn't see it a damn bit.
Oh, really?
No, that felt amazing. You and the car. Damn, this car, man. Fuck.
This car handles really well.
Such grip.
Yeah.
Does the S2000 have similar?
The S2000, in hairpins, I think this understeers less than the S2000, possibly.
Oh, wow.
The S2000 has a lot more tire, because it's 255s all around.
Yeah, but it's also a little heavier.
Right, like 500 pounds, 400 pounds heavier maybe.
So I feel like that might make up the section difference.
Right. I think this car is a little bit more skittish. Might come down to the suspension setup, might come down to the shorter wheelbase. The S2000 feels a little bit more planted at high speed. But at low speed, this thing doesn't understeer as much, I will say.
Yeah, it does those tight turns really well.
Like the hairpins are great.
Yeah.
I wish it had another 50 horsepower. I hate to say it, but that would really make this car come alive.
They make those guys. They make a K-swap kit. That's what you should do.
Dude, that would turn this thing into a monster.
I'd be happy with it.
That was fun though. Didn't destroy the car.
Yeah. That was really. I was puckered. I was puckered the whole time.
Cool. See the look on Shawn's face.
He's not even.
Just kidding. I'm not
Oh, when you just leave it on the phone. Just be like,
No, I'll just leave it on the phone, just casually.
oh, I left my phone. Can you grab my phone? You should check out the phone, bro. Turn off.
Yeah. Or.
When you came in.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
just
way.
hit that one.
How is that?
What's
up, guys?
Oh, I see a
It's
132
Zygrene.
on there. I see a 132. he was gonna run over and check it anyway. He wanted to know.